Technical calculation of bullish probability of the main altcoins and most promising categories. Today, August 13th, real-world assets.
I am not a financial advisor, and nothing you see in this video should be considered investment advice.
We will first analyze the top 40 altcoins with the highest market cap in the category, and then we will do a second analysis of low-cap altcoins with less than 15 million market cap. Let's go with the first one. This analysis provides a quantitative and objective score for the bullish potential of each altcoin, specifically tailored for short-term swing trading over the next few days. I typically hold my trades for 3 to 10 days, and this is the time frame I focus on in my analysis. We've analyzed the relative performance of these altcoins over the past 30 days, using a base 100 for comparison. The top 16 of the 40 altcoins are displayed on screen. The central bar, orange, is the market cap. The blue bar is popularity, calculated based on sources such as Google Crux. And the green bar is the volume, taking the 30-day daily moving average. To the right, you can see the aggregated trend of these 40 altcoins for these three factors. Crypto analysts usually concentrate exclusively on market capitalization or price. However, volume and popularity are two crucial factors that should also be considered. We also have the fear and greed indicator of the crypto market, which we currently have with 31 points, in a state of fear. These indicators, correctly valued in each case together with the market cap, will give us a more accurate and realistic calculation. Let's see now what the global trend is for the category, and then we will see which are the altcoins with the best projection right now. At this time, the immediate short-term bullish potential, or probability, for the real-world assets category is very low, with a valuation of 11.48 points out of 100. And on an individual level, this is the valuation calculated for each of the altcoins. We see them classified in order and by color, based on their immediate short-term bullish potential. New altcoins have entered this ranking, such as Soil, which enters directly into position 15. The altcoin that has risen the most positions is TokenFi, which has risen 37 positions to position 2. Given the complete list, let's see the top 3 best rated. In third place, we have XDC Network, with a very low short-term bullish potential, with 19.24 points. In second place, we have TokenFi, with a very low short-term bullish potential, with 22.69 points. And finally, in first place, we have Sologenic, with a very low short-term bullish potential, with 28.29 points. And these are the overall results for the category, but what if we focus only on the low-cap altcoins, whose potential volatility is much higher? Let's see it. Top 30 altcoins with less than 15 million market cap of the real-world assets category. On the screen, we see the comparative evolution, based on 100, of the first 16 of these 30 altcoins in each of the last 30 days. As in the global analysis, the central bar is the market cap, the blue bar is popularity, and the green bar is the volume. And to the right, you can see the aggregated trend of these 30 altcoins for each of these three factors. Obviously, in these altcoins of such low capitalization, we see a very high volatility in market cap and volume, and, therefore, this means that their immediate growth potential, both bullish and bearish, can be several multiples higher than that of the top global altcoins with much higher market caps. That said, as always, let me remind you that the risk with this type of altcoin is much higher and must be managed very responsibly. We can see that the best performing altcoin in terms of nominal return per market cap has been WeCoin with a 95.82% change in the last 30 days, followed by Soil with 85.79% and decentralized ETF with 52.58%. But is their short-term growth projection really the best if we take into account their trend line, volume, popularity, and market sentiment? Let's see it. At this time, the aggregated bullish, or probability, potential for these low-cap altcoins in the short term of the real-world assets category is very low, with a valuation of 14.35 points out of 100. On an individual level, this is the calculated valuation for each of the altcoins. New altcoins have entered this ranking, such as Carnomaly, which enters directly into position 1. The altcoin that has risen the most positions is RWA, which has risen 19 positions to position 10. And CreedFi has also shown good performance, rising 18 positions to number 6. Given the complete list, let's see the top 3 best rated. In third place, we have Comtech Gold, with a short-term bullish potential of very low, with 26 points. In second place, we have Planet Token, with a short-term bullish potential of very low, with 27.04 points. And finally, in first place we have Carnomaly, with a short-term bullish potential of very low, with 36.62 points. And these are the results for the low-cap altcoins in the real-world assets category. As I always say, no one knows if a crypto will 100x or go to zero in the future, but we do have data and objective analysis as a benchmark. Don't forget to subscribe to stay ahead of the next trend changes and not miss out on future opportunities in this market. And also give me a like to support this little channel. Thank you for your support, and don't miss the next analysis.